Test tube is one of my favorite boxes to receive if you want skincare. So if you're looking for a skincare subscription, this is definitely one that I would recommend. This is the latest box, which is the summer 2025 box that we're opening up. And I think I can save you guys $15 if you want to try this box out. I think. We're going to talk about it today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. Do you love my new necklace? Okay, I know I gotta talk about this just for a second because it's very rare that I do a lot of black in one episode, but I was feeling it today, you guys. I don't know, I was in a mood and I was like, I knew when I did my eyeshadow look, I wanted to do a black smoked out edge, and then everything else just came with it. This came from my Gothic Beauty box, and I knew when we unboxed it, I was like, I'm gonna be wearing that choker because it's so pretty. Love the way it drapes. So yes, it's a vibe today. I don't know why I'm feeling it. I wanted to feel a little goth today. But the main point of this video is my test tube subscription. So this is a quarterly subscription box that sends out beauty products. Usually we receive skincare inside of this box. Now that's not to say that they make any guarantee or promise on the website. It's just that's typically my experience, is that I receive skincare inside of this. But I think I can also save you $15 off of your box. So I have a referral link through Test Tube, and it says just share this link, and it's supposed to generate a pop-up box with a coupon code, and you can take that code, apply it at checkout, and it's supposed to take $15 off of your order. So I'm not sure if it's still working or not, but I'm gonna post it down below, that way you guys can try it. When you click on the link, you do wanna make sure pop-ups are allowed. So on my computer, it does it easily. Sometimes on my phone, it doesn't allow the pop-ups to show up. But when it does open, it will generate a random code that has a bunch of different letters and numbers. They're always different. And you just copy that and paste it at checkout, and it should take it off. At least it's supposed to. So the theme for summer is heat up. It says temperatures are rising, days are getting longer, and we're turning up the heat on all things self-care. So this is going to be a self-care box this summer. First item that we have in here, ironically, not skincare, you guys. You watch, this is gonna be the quarter that totally proves me wrong and nothing I said at the outset is true. So the first item that I have is actually a hair care product. This is coming from Kristen S, and it's an overnight bond revitalizing dry mask. So it will repair and strengthen. It's also going to prevent future damage, add a little bit of hydration to your hair, but it says it will work for all hair types. So you just need to shake this and then apply it to dry hair. They want you to spray this in sections, and then you're gonna leave it overnight. So you actually do this right before bed, and then in the morning you're gonna wake up with softer, smoother hair. It is color safe, cruelty free, vegan, and then there's no silicones, parabens, or sulfates in this either, which is also really nice. So this one is 5.5 ounces. It is a full-size product. I love the idea of doing a dry mask. I didn't even know this was a thing because I've had hair care masks before, but usually it's like a cream and you want your hair to be damp and you're gonna put it in, leave it in for 10 minutes, then wash it out. This is nice because you just spray it and then you go to sleep and then you're done. Like, I like the convenience of this. So this retails for $18.99 at Target, actually. It doesn't cost as much as I thought it was going to. So you can get this at Target. It says it's a lightning fast application and an innovative formula. It will give you stronger, smoother hair by morning. We have another overnight product. This one is from Sweet July Skin. Well, perfect that they're sending us this in the summer box. You know what I mean? Because it'd be weird to get a July product, you know, in like April. I'm just kidding, but I do think it's kind of funny. Good Youth Retinol Sleep Serum, and it also has lavender inside of it. So 1 ounce or 30 mil. This is a full-size bottle. This one says you can support healthy, youthful skin while you sleep with a blend of lavender, papaya, and turmeric, along with retinol. So again, you're gonna put this on right before you go to bed, let it work overnight. It is going to help to take down any fine lines, wrinkles, but it also will give you hydration. There is glycerin in here. I've not used this product, but I will say I love the idea of having overnight products, because then you don't have to, there's no mess, there's no fuss. You just put it on, let it do its job, and then by morning, you know, you have a whole new face. $70 for this product, you guys. I had a funny feeling because it does have retinol in it. I was like, I bet this is gonna cost a bit more, but I wasn't thinking $70, but apparently that's what it is. I forgot to tell you this at the outset. The entire subscription retails for $59, and that includes your shipping because they have free shipping on there. So 59 bucks, and this product is a $70 product. I mean, like, it's already paying for it. Next up, we have a product from Fable and Mane. Is this another hair care product? Usually, this is a hair care company. So this is their soothing serum, and it says it's for all hair types. So we have a scalp serum here. This one is cruelty-free and vegan. You're gonna apply it to dry hair, massage it in at the roots, and you're going to apply this basically to the scalp. It's more for the scalp and less for your actual hair. So you really wanna get it down all the way as far as you can go. Leave it on there for 5 minutes or even overnight, they say is better. And then you're just gonna rinse this out with shampoo in the morning time. And then that's supposed to give you hydration, which cuts down on flakes or the dry skin that you get on top of your head. A lot of overnight products inside of this box. Now that's just a curation for this summer box, but I kind of like it. I like the convenience of all of these products. I mean, if you're already doing one overnight thing, you might as well just do the whole ritual. You know what I mean? Just do all of it. It's not as bad as I thought. $38. You can actually buy this at Sephora as well. It says it's a soothing weightless oil serum that will nourish dry scalps, and it also mentions that it will give you a healthy, balanced scalp as well. So this will help to reduce any excess oils. So if you're overproducing oils, this will kind of even all of that out. You feel and look way more luxurious than $38 though. The next item that we have in here is from Soursop. These are immunity gummies. There are 60 gummies inside of this bottle. So I'm assuming, yeah, it's 2 gummies per day. So you have a 1-month supply here. They actually look like little raspberries. Enriched with antioxidants and superfruits. So it is supposed to help to regenerate your cells and amplify your immune system. Zinc and elderberry, really great ingredients. Well, and vitamin C as well, that will help to kind of boost that immune system and to help fight off any sort of sickness out there. So I definitely see why they're saying this is like an immunity gummy. I don't really know anything behind the whole cell regeneration, so I'm not really sure the details behind that. That's what they're advertising. I'm going to show you guys what the supplement facts are. Because this is a supplement, they are all natural ingredients. So I don't think these sound bad at all. They expire January of 2026 is the only thing. I would try these though. I don't think these sound bad, but it's $25.99 if you were to purchase this from their website. They do state that this also defends your cells against damage. It decreases inflammation, and it's supposed to increase your energy. So users between 100 and 135 pounds should take 2 gummies a day, but users between 135 pounds and 175 pounds need to take 4 gummies every day. And if you weigh over 175 pounds, you need to take 6 gummies a day in order for it to be fully effective. Now that part is a little confusing. I have never seen a supplement actually break it down by weight categories. And I feel like 6 gummies a day, wow. I mean, to go through this bottle, I know there's 60 in there, but like you're gonna be flying through these bottles. And then when it costs $26 a bottle, I mean, that really adds up. Ironically, I kind of liked this before I read that. Well, you guys comment down below. Let me know. If you tried them, what are your thoughts on them? If you've had them before, what are your thoughts on that as well? I'll be curious. I'm gonna try it. But I just feel like, man, that's gonna really add up. Next item that we have in our box then today. Oh, this one's a fragrance. It's a little guy. This is a refillable solid fragrance. So this is the Tube Rose scent. They state that this is a solid fragrance perfume that you can refill, and you just apply a little as needed. It is cruelty free. This is what it looks like inside of the box here. This one is rose. Wow. This is really strong. Now, because it is a solid, it's kind of just like a balm that you just take a little bit, rub it into like your wrist, but it is a very strong rose scent. Now, this will melt, so just keep that in mind that if you leave this like out in your car or something like that, it would melt. I'm sure your car is going to smell amazing like a bed of roses, but it definitely could melt in high heat. Now this product, if you were going to purchase it, it comes in at $6 for it. And it mentions that you can refill all of these pods with different ones that they sell online. They are alcohol-free, customizable, and travel-friendly, so perfect for any mood or occasion. The next product that I have is from Roden and Fields, and this is their plumping lip oil, but it also has SPF inside of this. So this one is a full-size product. It's 5 ml, but it is full size for this brand. Beautiful shade. That's nice for summertime. I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch here. Keep in mind that it is an oil, so it is gonna have a little bit of a shine, but you're still gonna get that beautiful shade. And it is a plumping shade, so it is going to actually tingle and give you a little bit more of a brightening or plump effect for your lips. I think that's really nice though for summer. I like this shade a lot, and I like that there's SPF in it too. $36 is what this one retails for. Now it says it's not a lip gloss. This is an oil that is also like skincare for your lips because it has hydration, sun protection, and it's going to brighten and plump your skin as well. Now it does mention that the shades are going to vary per box. So if you order this subscription today, you will receive this product, but you could receive a different shade than what I have here. Also, how ironic is it that I told you this was all skincare and we've had hair care and makeup and perfume and supplements like there's hardly any skincare. Case in point, the next item, it's a teeth whitening pen. I don't understand what's happening this quarter from test tube. Apparently, I don't know anything about this box. Just ignore everything I said about it. So this one is True White, and it is a whitening pen, full-size product here. You put it on before bed. That's the only thing that's been consistent about this box, is everything is like a nighttime ritual. And it says you're just gonna apply it before bed, leave it on, and you will have whiter, brighter teeth by morning. It's TSA approved. It gives you results in 5 minutes. It's also dental grade strength, it mentions. So the primary ingredient in here is hydrogen peroxide. It's a 9%, but then there's also glycerin in here as well. So it's just like your traditional teeth whitening pens. If you've ever seen those before, it literally just has a little brush on it. You twist the bottom and you just paint your teeth essentially, and it will make them whiter and brighter. Now this pen, well, okay, I should not have minimized that so much. This pen comes in at $119 to purchase. This professional grade whitening solution is designed to remove years of stains from coffee, tea, smoking, and wine. And it says you can take this with you on the go. It has a mint flavor, and then it will give you that whitening effect. That is incredible to me. I mean, $119, you guys. And remember, I paid $59 for this entire box. Well, I really doubt anything else is gonna top that price point, but we do have another product inside of our box. This next one is coming from JLo Beauty, and you can totally tell by her packaging. I will say, her packaging is easy to identify. It does stand out. This one is called That Big Screen, and it is a 30 SPF. No, I should say that the other way. It is an SPF 30. I knew when it was coming out of my mouth, I was like, that doesn't feel right. Like it did not come off the tongue right. SPF 30 is what we have here. This one, if you were going to purchase it, it retails for $55 for this. This is a luxurious and luminizing SPF moisturizer. So not only will it block the rays, it also blocks street pollutants and free radicals and protects you from blue light damage. So it will be an ultra light whipped formula that gives you smoother, dewier, and a glowier complexion. And last official item inside of your test tube box will be their quarterly magazine that you receive. Now this is a subscription that goes along with your box. It's free. It does not cost you anything additional to receive, and you'll get this inside of your subscription box. They used to, years ago, they would actually send this out. Oh, this one's got the beauty Bible in it, I think. Wait, is this the awards issue? I didn't realize that's what this was. Hold on. Oh my gosh, it is. I was minimizing this. Like, yeah, you get this free magazine. It's great. No, this is actually the Bible that I use every year. So this is the beauty Bible that I talk about. What I mean by that is it's their awards issue for 2025. So they are going to actually break it down. All of these pink pages are all award winners. So what they do is they will break it down by category. So this is going to be the skin category, and everything after that will be in their skincare lineup. This first one is going to feature the award winners in the exfoliating category. And they're going to go through and tell you why they chose these products as the best products for exfoliating. But it's in each individual category. So this is the best exfoliating face scrub. The best exfoliating facial pads are going to be this one here. If you want the best pore minimizing peel, they're going to recommend this product. So each of the products have one in their category where they're a little bit different. And that's why I say this is like a beauty Bible of sorts, where you can go through and see what have they tested, what have they tried. I tend to keep this issue all year long just to go back and consult and see which products are considered the best. Do I always agree with it? No, there's always a few that I'm like, no, that seems weird. But for the most part, I feel like it is pretty accurate. Like overall, it is a pretty accurate compilation of products. Elta MD, every year you guys wins for the best sunscreen. Best redness reducing sunscreen is Elta. But then the best sunscreen stick is actually Glow Recipe with their watermelon SPF. Tula won for the best sunscreen to give you glowy skin. See, that I believe. Best eye cream with retinol goes to Evelum, which, yep, I totally see that as well. See what I mean? There's just so much in here. And now this is what I'm going to be doing for the next few days, you guys, is going through all of these different things. So if you order right now and get the test tube subscription, you're also going to get this. So that is everything inside of my test tube subscription for summer. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this quarters box? I have a few thoughts. One, I cannot believe how little skincare there is in this box, considering usually we have so much skincare in here. But I'm almost wondering if now these products that we have, I wonder if they're all award winners. I don't know. I would need to go through the magazine and find out. But there's a chance that they gave us just like a little sample of products that won in their awards. But the next thing that, of course, I would be surprised if JLo Beauty won an award. I hate to say it, but I would be surprised, legitimately. But I also feel like it's a great variety box, so you do get to try out a little bit of everything. I mean, there's dental and there's supplements, there's hair care, there's skincare. So you do get a little bit of everything, but I like how most of this is all like a nighttime routine that you can try at night, see what you think by morning. So I don't know, it's different than what I was expecting, but I also do like it. I kind of like the difference. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!